What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off fast startup in Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to search bar, and here we're gonna search for control panel. We're gonna click on it like so. Now what we want to do is to click on hardware and sound. Then we're gonna click on power option. Here, what we want to click is on left. We want to click on choose what the power buttons do, like so. And now, as you can see at shutdown settings, we have the option to turn on fast startup. Now we can't change it because we have to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. We're gonna click on it. And as you can see now, we can disable it or enable it. And after you disable it, all you have to do is to click on save changes. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.